What's going on, folks? My name is Todd Silver, and I'm with the team here at Northway Ford Lincoln in beautiful Brantford, Ontario. Today is a little bit special. This is a little bit of a Ford hack. I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape here. What happens when you don't have a door code? Maybe you bought something pre-owned that the salesperson didn't get together there for you, or it didn't come with the little door code card in there. How exactly do you get that? That's what this video is about. Check this one out. So this one's actually a little bit of an easy one. Ultimately, you want to take a look at the passenger side of the Ford Escape here to be able to get down into it. If you go and you open up the door, your door code is actually going to be located just down underneath the glove box here. So we're going to do that. We'll do it right now. So just underneath the glove box, there is a felt kick plate under here. You also have two yellow screws with little plastic caps on them. Basically, they look like that right there. You want to take off both of those plastic caps, and then you want to take off the actual kick plate itself to be able to get up underneath the dash. Now, it's a little bit of a stretch to get up underneath here, but once you open this up, you're going to get to the fuse box here and a bunch of wiring. Basically, right up in there, there is a little sticker. That particular 5-digit code is the factory door code for the vehicle. Now, you can add other door codes, things you can actually remember a little bit easier. I'll follow that up with another video here in the next couple of days. My name's Todd Silver. I'm with the team here at Northway Ford Lincoln. If you folks have any questions on this particular vehicle, if you're looking for a door code, if there's anything that I can help you with, by all means, you can always give me a call or send me a text to my direct line, 519-803-5052. Should be right down at the bottom of the screen. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you're having a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.